Hi everyone, welcome to the Long Beach Real Estate Market Update for January 2025, where we make sense of the market data so you can make an educated decision when it comes to buying or selling a home. The median sales price in Long Beach was $784,000, down 2% from the median sales price in December. But this is up 0.5% from the median sales price in January of last year. 57% of the homes sold in the last 30-day period sold below their listing price, while only 31% sold above. Inventory or month supply is at 2.7 months, up 17% from 2.3 month supply in December. This is up 17% from 2.3 month supply in January of last year as well. The median number of days on market is 25 days, up 19% from 21 days in December. This is up 47% from last January's 14 days on market. New listings are up 87% to 250, and active listings are up 17% to 499. Versus last year, new listings are down 0.5%, and active listings are up 22%. Closed sales have taken a 2% step up to 159 in January. This is up 13% versus last January's 141. Interest rates continue to hover between 6.39 and 7.31%, depending on your personal financial profile and the particular loan product you choose. If you're looking to sell a home, having the right strategy and setting realistic expectations is critical. However, some sellers aren't adapting to the current market conditions. With more homes available and buyers being more selective, it's important to price and position your home correctly. Sellers who overlook these factors risk making critical mistakes. Here's a quick rundown of the most common mistakes sellers are making right now. Number 1, pricing your home too high. According to a survey by John Burns Real Estate Consulting and Keeping Current Matters, real estate agents agree that the number one thing sellers are struggling with right now is pricing their home correctly. More often than not, homeowners tend to overprice their home. If you aren't up to speed to what's happening in your marketplace currently, you might give in to the temptation to price your home high so you have plenty of room to negotiate. You don't want to do this. Today's home buyers are more cautious due to higher interest rates and tight budgets, and a price that feels too out of reach will scare them off. And if no one's looking at your house, how is it going to sell? This is exactly why so many home sellers are having to do price cuts. To avoid this headache, trust your agent's expertise from day one. A great agent's going to be able to tell you what your neighbor's home just sold for and how that's going to impact the value of your home. Number 2 is skipping repairs. Another common mistake is trying to avoid doing repairs on your home. That leaky faucet or that squeaky door might not mean much to you, but to buyers, a small maintenance issue can be a red flag. They may assume that those little problems are signs of bigger issues to come. And it could cost you when it comes to getting lower offers or buyers asking for concessions. The solution? Work with your agent to prioritize things that need to be done before the photographer shows up. These minor repairs or upgrades can pay off big when it comes time to sell. Number 3, refusing to negotiate. Buyers today are feeling the pinch of higher home prices and mortgage rates. With affordability being so tight, they may come in with an offer that's lower than you'd like to see. Don't take it personally. Instead, focus on your goal, which is selling your home. Your agent can help you negotiate confidently without allowing emotions to come into play. At the same time, with more homes being on the market, buyers have more options. And with that comes more negotiating power. They may ask for repairs, closing costs, or concessions. So be prepared to have these conversations. Again, lean on your agent to guide you. Sometimes a small compromise can seal the deal without derailing your end goal. Bottom line, to avoid these common mistakes, start with the right plan and the right agent. So connect with me so you don't fall into any of these traps. If you have any questions about any of the data that we shared today, or you'd like some data for an area outside of Long Beach, please reach out to me. I'm Brandon Pettis. See you next month.